Are you having problems with Localized Visual Studio project parser, not locating the C# project library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error, and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. Quickly resolve C# project library inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the C# project library, associated with localized C project building tools or archaic versions of the Visual Studio project system. It manages the localized parsing of XML-based .csproj files. If missing, specialized automated build tools will report a metadata resolution error, preventing any code compilation. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. Csproj is a restricted library bundled with the Localized Visual Studio project parser engine, and the most reliable recovery method is to run the setup for the host program, giving the error to refresh the internal files. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing C# project library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Installing an unverified version of C# project library DLL is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. If you're exploring professional monitoring options, the software linked below provides general diagnostic information for C# project library. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for C# project library and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.